YouTubes. Let's get this shit on the road. We're going to Wawa's and then OCC, Orange County Choppers, and then yeah, we're gonna meet up with a couple buddies at Orange County, and then we'll head out from there. And yeah, we'll figure it out. There's Kaya's gonna follow me. Slide bike life. Taking my car. Yeah. Look at my little baby. Look at my little baby. Alright, let's get it, boys. We out this hoe. It might rain a little bit, so nighttime rain. Yo, just gotta be careful. Front tire's a little bald, you know. You guys remember. Boo wrap goes hard as fuck. That shit is sick. It's starting to rain, boys. Yeah. We're getting footage of this place anyways. Hopefully it doesn't rain too long. It wasn't supposed to rain until like. It wasn't supposed to rain until I think it's at 11. So unfortunately. Alright, boys and girls, we here. We out this hoe. Alright, boys and girls. We'll reconvene after we hang out with the boys. Might get some clips on the phone, you know. And then we'll add that to the video as it is, so. Bink. What's up, YouTube? Back at it with the boys. We got... What's your bike's name, bro?
Blaze.
Blaze?
Blaze. Like fire?
You heard it, you heard it here first, folks. Alright. You know this guy. And this is Love, bro. He got a brand new bike. Yeah. Say hello to the RF boys.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We finna go run some shit. I'm gonna go scout it out on cam. Hey, Love. I'm scouting it. I'm scouting Gandy Bridge for us. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah. I'm gonna check for cops, and then we'll do shit. Right. Yeah. The hell are you doing? What are you doing, Green? I don't want to see you eat shit right in front of me. I slipped. Run this hoe. I know. My bike's a little stinky. Tip.
I just fucking sneak up.
Join us on a ride. Yeah.
I kept trying to make sure I wasn't about to hit your ass.
That was some stormtrooper shit, bro. What the fuck? Oh, both of y'all got that shit. That's weird. And you.
No, I don't got that shit.
What?
My shit's off.
No, the chin. You got the chin thing, don't you?
Module? No.
Oh hell yeah! I'm the only one.
My shit regular. I have a vent.
Give me some of that. Fucking idiots. Fucking dumbasses. Yeah. You look like an oval head, bitch. I'm gonna catch y'all guys on a flip flop. I'm gonna catch you in the garage. I might ask for some of David's footage to add like the secondary view, you know. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Everybody say hello. Goodbye.
Farewell.
Pieces.